Alright, you can roll it. So these are 4 Seydel 1847 combs being cut. The 2 in the front, this is called Op 2, Operation 2. It's the second side that's being cut. And the 2 in the back are Operation 1. So those are just blocks of acrylic. Or actually, those are Corian in the back. Just blocks of Corian. And what's going to happen now is we're going to start cutting the slots. We're drilling the holes. What happens first? You just cut the perimeter? And then you drill the holes next? So you actually drill the holes after you cut the slots? Even in the middle tine, huh? No big deal, huh? Because it's attached at the bottom, right? Yeah. Okay. No wasted motion. I got a pile of red acrylic that's blocking my view here. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, back to work. Now it's cutting the slots. As you can see from all of the colorful threads of acrylic clinging to the machinery, we've been cutting a lot of acrylic combs with this thing. Going over the edges to take the burrs off and to chamfer the edges a little bit. And cutting the hole. Same thing to side 2 of these combs, just chamfering the edges. engraving. Oh, making holes. All right. I'll try it. The first go around, all I did was just kind of put a little pilot hole so that when we drill the final holes, the bit doesn't slip. And these are the holes for the cover plates, which are a little larger. I think now we're just engraving BMH. So that everybody knows that they're Blue Moon Harmonica Combs. And they're done. Beautiful. Spectacular. Thank you.